Hello there. In this video, what we're going to do is solve the equation 3 tangent squared theta minus 1 equals 0, where theta is an angle in degrees between 0 and 360, not including 360. So the first thing we'll do, since there's only one trigonometric term in this equation, is that we'll isolate it to one side. So we're going to have tangent squared theta equals, I'm going to add 1 and divide by 3, so you have 1/3. And now we'll apply the square root principle to get an equation in terms of tangent theta rather than tangent squared. So this means that tangent theta is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1/3. Now, to make this more easy to recognize, I'm going to rationalize the denominator, simplify the radical expression. So this is equal to plus or minus square root of 1, which is 1, over square root of 3. And then I'm going to rationalize the denominator to get plus or minus square root of 3 over 3. And that, hopefully, you recognize as a special value. That's one of the values of tangent that corresponds to a special angle. And as a matter of fact, that corresponds to 30 degrees. So what we have is we're going to solve tangent theta equals root 3 over 3, and tangent theta equals negative root 3 over 3. Now, if you remember how reference angles work, we know that having a value of root 3 over 3 and negative root 3 over 3, they're going to share the same reference angle. They're just going to be in different quadrants. So just take a look. So root 3 over 3 corresponds to 30 degrees. So that's in the first quadrant. And we know that tangent is also positive in the third quadrant with reference angle 30 degrees. So this means that theta is equal to 30 degrees as well as 210 degrees. For the negative ratio, we know we have the same reference angle. So that's going to be 30 degrees in quadrant 4 as well as 30 degrees in quadrant 2, because tangent is negative in quadrants 2 and 4. So those correspond to 150 degrees. I'm going to try to draw that here so that it's not so confusing. So there's 150 degrees, 180 minus 30. And to stay on the interval 0 to 360, we wouldn't say negative 30 degrees. We would say 330 degrees, because it's a full revolution minus the 30 degrees. So that means those solutions are 150 degrees and 330 degrees. So collectively, the solutions to this equation are exactly 30 degrees, 210 degrees, 150 degrees, 330 degrees. And normally we would write them in numerical order if we were formally reporting these as answers.